Every skyscraper, every bridge, and every road we travel on begins with something hidden deep beneath the earth. Buried within ancient layers of limestone lies one of the most important materials behind modern civilization. Our journey starts at this massive limestone quarry, where thousands of tons of raw material are extracted every day. Before the stone can become cement, the ground must first be prepared through precise drilling operations. Everything is ready. A controlled blast releases thousands of tons of rock from the mountainside within seconds. This is where the story begins. The material you see here may one day become part of a highway, a bridge, or a city skyline. Giant excavators move into action, loading the freshly blasted rock for its next stage. Heavy-duty trucks carry the stone away from the quarry and toward the processing plant. At the factory, the rock enters the primary crusher, where industrial power takes over. Massive chunks of limestone are fed into the machine without interruption. Inside, enormous forces break the rock apart in just moments. Even the hardest stone cannot withstand the pressure generated by steel and hydraulics. The material is reduced to smaller pieces, preparing it for the processes ahead. It's hard to imagine that a simple concrete road may have started from rocks like these. The crushing process runs continuously, keeping a steady flow of material moving through the plant. Once crushed, the stone begins its journey across an extensive conveyor system. These belts work like the circulatory system of the factory, transporting material from one stage to the next. Stretching for miles, they connect the quarry to the heart of production. The material is stored and blended to ensure a consistent chemical composition. Cement requires more than limestone alone. Clay is added to provide silica and alumina needed for the final product. Iron ore is carefully introduced to support the reactions that will occur later inside the kiln. Sand completes the raw mix, helping create the balance required for strong and durable cement. Every ingredient is measured and controlled with remarkable precision. The blended material now enters the vertical roller mill. Here, massive rollers grind the mixture into an ultra-fine powder, preparing it for the intense thermal transformation ahead. It's remarkable to think that the solid rock from earlier has now become a fine powder. Inside the vertical roller mill, enormous pressure crushes the material into microscopic particles. Limestone, clay, and minerals are continuously ground under intense mechanical force. What was once solid stone is transformed into an ultra-fine raw mix. The process is fast, efficient, and essential for everything that follows. Hot gases flow through the mill, drying the material as it moves. Fine particles are lifted by the airflow, while heavier ones return for additional grinding. A separator carefully controls the process, allowing only particles of the correct size to pass. The finished powder is known as raw meal. This balanced mixture contains everything needed for the next stage of production. Large storage silos keep a steady supply flowing through the plant. Ahead lies the most important transformation in the entire cement-making process. Towering above the facility stands the preheater, a structure built to maximize energy efficiency. Before entering the kiln, the raw meal passes through multiple heating stages. Waste heat from the plant is captured and reused, reducing overall energy consumption. Inside the cyclones, the powder spins rapidly through streams of hot gas. Temperatures rise quickly as the material absorbs more and more heat. At nearly 900 degrees Celsius, limestone begins releasing carbon dioxide. For the first time, the material starts changing chemically, not just physically. Each particle continues its descent through the system, preparing for the furnace below. Every bit of recovered heat helps improve the efficiency of the process. Now the journey reaches the heart of the cement plant. Deep inside the kiln, Temperatures have now reached nearly 1400 degrees Celsius. At this extreme heat, the minerals begin to melt and react with one another. Calcium, silica, and other elements combine to form entirely new compounds. This is the birth of clinker, the key ingredient in modern cement. Powerful chemical reactions continue as the material moves through the hottest zone of the kiln. At the molecular level, the original stone no longer exists. A completely new material is being created. The bright orange glow at the end of the furnace reveals the intensity of the process. Every stage is carefully monitored to maintain consistent quality. Even small changes can affect thousands of tons of production. As the material leaves the kiln, it appears as small, glowing nodules known as clinker. These pellets are the result of hours spent inside one of the harshest industrial environments on Earth. But the journey is not over yet. The hot clinker immediately enters a high-speed cooling system. Powerful airflows remove heat and stabilize the newly formed minerals. Rapid cooling is essential for achieving the desired cement properties. Much of the recovered heat is reused elsewhere in the plant, improving overall efficiency. Once cooled, the clinker becomes stable, hard, and ready for the final stage. These small gray nodules contain the strength that will eventually support buildings, bridges, and highways. Next comes the final grinding process. A small amount of gypsum is added to control how quickly the cement will set. The proportion must be carefully managed to ensure consistent performance. The mixture then enters the ball mill, where millions of impacts occur every minute. Steel grinding media reduce the clinker into an extremely fine powder. At last, cement emerges. This simple gray powder is one of the most important materials in modern construction. Finished cement is stored in sealed silos to protect it from moisture. Before shipment, every batch undergoes strict quality testing. Engineers verify chemical composition, fineness, and strength performance. Behind every bag of cement stands an enormous amount of data and quality control. Once approved, the cement is packaged through highly automated systems. Robotic equipment stacks and prepares the finished product for delivery. Soon, these bags will leave the factory and head toward construction sites around the world. Day and night, trucks transport the results of this massive industrial operation. The journey that began deep inside a limestone quarry is finally complete. The bridge you cross, the building where you work, or the road beneath your tires may all contain material produced through this very process. From raw stone hidden beneath the earth, to the foundation of cities, infrastructure, and modern life. This is the story of cement, a story of engineering, extreme heat, and industrial innovation that helps build the world around us every single day. If you enjoy discovering how the machines, materials, and factories behind modern life really work, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible industrial journeys. Thank you for watching Future Flow Factory. And remember, behind every everyday product is an extraordinary story waiting to be discovered.